Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of resolution on Pixiv. You will click on settings. You will click on apps, default apps, app settings. You will search for Pixiv. You will click on first stop and you will click OK. You will go here to storage. You will click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's it. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.